Hey guys, this is for everybody that might want to have their bike look that factory look with the yellow walls, Dunlop. There's three different ways that I know of doing this. The first way and the most common is to buy a paint stick. This one's a Toyo paint stick, paint marker, and it takes about 2 days between drying and recoating and drying and recoating again to get it to where it looked good. Now, as you can see, there's a bunch of paint missing off this. That's after one ride in the sand. Just flaked it right off. And this is after hours of working on this. And that's after one ride because I pulled this off. This was off my 450. And I got a new set of rims. I ended up with an extra rear tire. So the way I did this is I went to Supercross and Dunlop was giving these away. And what's inside of here is 4 decals. Or they're kind of like a decal. They go on like a decal, but it's actually like, it's more like paint than a decal. It's really neat. One thing I did to make it more durable is I coated it with clear coat. A few just light passes with clear coat, taped off the rim, and just to give it some more durability. And so far, man, after riding it, not a problem one. So that's how you can do it. The third way you can do it is with tire stickers or tire decals out there I've seen, but those I don't think work as good, and they only last a very short time. These last. These are going to hold up. Bad part is I'm not aware of these being sold anywhere. And I don't know if it's a Dunlop factory thing they only do for the riders, and then they had a giveaway. I don't know, but I got 2 sets of them. And I'm hanging on that second set, that's for sure. I think it looks really cool myself. You may or may not. Anyway, like and subscribe, please. I want to keep making videos. You guys got to like and subscribe.